Today, I'll show you how to edit your Jira dashboard so you can customize it to display exactly the information you care about most. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know how to access your dashboard, adjust its layout, add gadgets, and rename or share it with your team. First, open your browser and head over to Atlassian.com. This is the main site where you access Jira and other Atlassian products. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and click the Sign Up button. From there, log in or create an account if you're new to Jira. Make sure you're using the account that has access to the Jira project where your dashboard lives. Once you're signed in and inside Jira, look at the left-hand panel. There you'll see an option labeled Dashboards. Click on Dashboards to open the Dashboard section. This is where all your existing dashboards are listed, including both the ones you own and the ones shared with you. From this list, select the dashboard you want to edit. Take a moment to make sure you've picked the correct one, especially if you have several dashboards with similar names. When you click it, Jira will open that dashboard and show you its current layout and gadgets. Now, to start editing, look at the top right corner of the dashboard. You'll see an Edit button. Click Edit to switch the dashboard into editing mode. Once you're in this mode, you can begin customizing. One of the first changes you might want to make is to the layout. The layout controls how many columns you have and how your gadgets are arranged on the screen. You can choose a layout that best fits the number and type of gadgets you want to display. For example, if you want a simple focused view, a single column layout might work best. If you need to see multiple types of information side by side, a 2 or 3 column layout can make the dashboard more readable. Go ahead and choose the layout that feels right for how you work. Next, you can add gadgets to your dashboard. Gadgets are small widgets that show information such as issue statistics, sprint burn down charts, assigned tasks, and more. In edit mode, look over to the right panel. You'll see a list of available gadgets you can add. Browse through the list and choose the gadgets that are most useful for your team or your role. When you find one you like, click to add it, then configure any settings the gadget requires, such as filters, projects, or specific boards. Take your time to adjust each gadget so it shows exactly the data you need. After you've arranged your layout and gadgets, you may want to rename your dashboard or share it with others. In the top right corner of the dashboard, find the 3-dot icon. Click that icon, then select either rename or share, depending on what you want to do. When you choose rename, a pop-up tab will appear where you can update the dashboard's name. Pick a clear, descriptive name so your team can quickly recognize what this dashboard is for. Once you've entered the new name, click Save to apply it. When you're finished making all your changes, look for the Done button. Click Done to save your changes for the entire dashboard and exit edit mode. Your updated layout, gadgets, and new name will now be live. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.